Hello friends, in my this video I am going to discuss about one very interesting LeetCode related problem, and that is jewels and stones. Okay, so what is the problem statement? Let us try to understand first. So you are given string j representing the types of stones that are jewels, and s representing the stones you have. Each character in s is a type of stone you have. You want to know how many stones you have are basically jewels. Okay, the letter in j are guaranteed distinct, and all the characters in j and s are letters. Letters are case sensitive, so small a is considered to be different stone from capital A. All right, so suppose for example, if you consider j as small a capital A and s as small a capital A capital A, small b small b small b small b. Now see, small a is one kind of jewel stone and capital is another kind of jewel stone. And you have these stones a, small a, capital A, small b, small b, small b, small b. So how many jewel stones you have? Small a is 1, capital A is 1, capital A is 1. So 3 stones. So output is 3. For example, if jewel stone is denoted by small z and you have two types of stone, capital Z, then as it is not matching, so output is 0. Try to think about one algorithm which can be used to solve this particular problem, and that can take only linear time complexity O of n. Okay, pause my video, think about that, do it in Eclipse or NetBeans or in any online compiler. Okay, and then check my solution. If it is more optimized and logical than your one, follow it. Otherwise, if your one is more optimized, then keep it that only. Okay, here I am discussing one possible solution. So what I am going to do here, the algorithm is quite simple. I am going to store all these in a set. Okay, although it is mentioned here that j represent the stones which are basically distinct. J are guaranteed distinct, but I as we know that in case of hash set, the searching is very fast, right? So that we are going to use to optimize our code with respect to time complexity. So that's what I am going to use set. Okay, but initially I have written the code with tree set. If you want to implement with linked hash set also, then also it will work, because my algorithm which I am going to follow is store all the characters of j that is belonging to jewel stone in a set, and then check and then traverse the particular string from the beginning to the end and check each character is present in that set or not. If it is present, then simply you can increment one counter, otherwise not. So what I have done here, class solution public int num jewels in stones, string j and string s we are passing. We have to return integer data type, that is number. What are the number of how many jewel stones are present in these among the stones which I have. So what I have done, I have created one tree set. So tree set character a equal to new tree set character. Okay, for int I equal to 0, I less than j dot length I plus plus, a dot add j dot caret I. I am storing all the characters of j in the a tree set which we created here. After that, in temp equal to 0, this is basically counter which will keep the count of how many jewel stones are present in my stone. So for int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length I plus plus. Obviously, we can use contents keyword to check whether a particular element is present in set or not. So a dot contents s dot caret I. If it is true, then it will enter inside the if. Okay, and temp plus plus. Temp will be incremented. Return temp. Okay, at the end of the execution of the for loop, return the variable. That's all. Simple algorithm, right? After execution of this particular for loop, at the temp variable, the number of jewel stones present in my stones will be given. Okay, so let me compile this. Sorry, let me submit this and show you that what is we are getting. Runtime is 3 millisecond, faster than 7.34% of Java Online submission. Memory usage less than 100%. So our code is optimized with respect to memory, but not completely time efficient because it is only 7.34 faster than other submissions. That's what comes the here you can see it is accepted. So here comes the selection of data structure. Instead of tree set, what you should do here, as you want to just check whether that particular element is present in the set or not, that means you want to search, you want to do search operation, so always it is better to use hash set. Okay, because in case of hashing, the searching is fastest in compared to other structures. Okay, previously if you check our code is faster than 7.334. Now with the hash set data structure, let us check what is the improvement in the time complexity. Okay, now see, faster than 94.17% of Java Online submission. Previously it was it was taking 3 milliseconds, but now it is taking only 1 millisecond. Okay. And memory efficient also less than 100%. So this is how you can optimize your code with respect to time and space complexity. Further, some improvement can be done because someone has already submitted some more efficient code with respect to time, so that it is taking say 94.17, otherwise it could have take 100% faster than other online submissions. Anyway, this is also more than sufficient, I think. This is all for my this video. I am going to post the same code in the comment section. If you want, you can check that. Is this kind of questions more and more, because if you practice this, then this will make sufficient mentally boost up to face some difficult problems which often appear in different placement process like TCS Digital or TCS Ninja or Capgemini, or you may consider Cognizant, whether that may be internship process or that may be mass placement, whatever, or some product based companies like Amazon, Adobe, Samsung, etc. Okay, so practice this, have a clear idea in these basic questions, then go to a medium level and then go to high level. Use LeetCode efficiently to improve your programming skill. That's all about my this video. Thank you for watching.